Concerned over the growing menace of drug addiction in society, Rotary Club of Edjeba District 9141 has charged Nigerian youths to stay away from drug abuse. The President, Rotary Club of Edjeba Rotarian Nicholas Otobo, gave the charge during the club's drug abuse awareness campaign through sports development at College of Education. Warri correspondent Daniel Orji has the details.
It has been confirmed over time that drug abuse is the excessive use of psychoactive drugs such as alcohol, pain medications, or illegal drugs which lead to physical, social, or emotional harm. With the number of drug abuse cases on the increase among youngsters, Rotary Club of Edjeba took its drug abuse campaign to youngsters in the Edjeba community during a football match between Blue Team and Club 40. The president of Rotary Club of Edjeba, Rotarian Nicholas Otobo, disclosed that drug abuse campaign is in line with one of the 7 areas of focus of Rotary International, which is disease prevention and treatment. He asked the youth to avoid the abuse of drugs so that their community will be a better and healthy place.
Today, the topic is on drug abuse, advising the youth to stay away from drugs so that we can have a healthy community. We did this last year, so we are repeating the same performance this year, and hopefully it's going to be a continuous annual event for the community.
Also speaking, the immediate past president of Rotary Club Edjeba and the project committee chairman, Rotarian Lawrence Wandiobu, and the incoming president, Rotarian Sonny Oviesi, disclosed that the drug awareness campaign is an annual event by Rotary Club of Edjeba, which is aimed to inform youths of the dangers of drug abuse.
Our youth these days are actually overwhelmed by influence and the effect of drugs in their lives. And so we decided to use this opportunity once again to send message and sensitize the society and the youth in the Edjeba community about the effect and importance of staying away from drugs.
As of drugs in our society, we can all see the effect of drugs as it affects our young people. From the demography, we find out that young people are actively involved. So we looked at it, how do we catch them? We decided to use sport as a veritable tool to catch them, bring them together and be able to pass the message, and that's what we've done successfully.
During the football match between Club 40 and Blue Team, Dr. Pero Endurance informed the sportsmen that they must avoid drug abuse, also known as substance abuse, if they want to take their football career to the next level. Dr. Pero said those that use excessive use of drugs to aid their sporting performance ended badly. He added that drug abuse kills, urging the footballers to be ambassadors of anti-drug abuse. Dr. Perry also told the footballers that substance abuse is not a habit they should take lightly, saying it occurs when people use alcohol, prescription medicine, and other legal and illegal substances too much or in the wrong way.
One major organ that is affected with alcohol use, chronic alcohol use, is the liver. The liver. It may not affect you now, but over time, years later, that is when you see the repercussion. Unfortunately,
at the end of the match, Blue Team won and were presented with cash gift of 30,000 naira, medals, and a trophy, while Club 40 got 15,000 naira cash. Rotary Club of Edjeba also presented mower to the footballers so that they can use it to cut overgrown weed on the field. The Ogurie and President General of Edjeba Community, Ibuakewe Ejirogene, and the captain of Blue Team, Daniel Moore, thanked Rotary Club of Edjeba for the mower and cash gifts.
That drug is inimical to societal development. We know the impact.
I want to say a very big thank you to Rotary Club for organizing a football match like this, and it's a pleasure to be among the ambassadors of saying no to drugs abuse, and so I'm really glad. I say a big thank you to Rotary Club.
The footballers pledged to be are good ambassadors of anti-drug abuse. Daniel Oji reporting.